Okay, so I'm doing question number 24 from lesson 5.5, and I'll just start with writing the original equation, and that is 1 minus sine squared theta minus cosine 2 theta equals 1/2. And from there I can immediately just use the Pythagorean identity, and this becomes cosine squared theta minus cosine 2 theta equals 1/2. And now I can use the power reducing identity for the cosine squared theta, and that will become 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2, and then minus cosine 2 theta equals 1/2. And then I can multiply each side by 2, and that gets rid of the bottom 2 on the right side, and on the right it gets rid of the bottom 2 and then makes that 2. So now you have 1 plus cosine 2 theta minus 2 cosine 2 theta equals 1. And just subtract 1 from each side, and the 1's cancel out. And now you have cosine 2 theta minus 2 cosine 2 theta equals 0. And then just by subtracting like terms, you get negative cosine 2 theta equals 0. And then you can just divide each side by -1, and that will give you cosine 2 theta equals 0. And from here you can look at your unit circle and find out where cosine equals 0, and that is at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. But because we have cosine 2 theta, we have to divide each of those by 2, and that gives us pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4. And so those are our two angles, and then our final answer would be pi over 4 plus n pi, and it's just pi because you have cosine 2 theta, and the period for that is just pi instead of 2 pi. And then your other answer would be 3 pi over 4 plus n pi.